Ladies and gentlemen, you can discover that at the level of the Oku Palace. This concoction you can find here indicates that in a situation whereby rain continues falling, we will use whatever it takes as Oku is concerned to stop the rain from falling. You understand that within the very past 1 to 30 minutes, rain has been falling, disturbing the occasion that has been taking place today. And in other directions, you will understand that it is being said that these showers of blessings and all is being done to see that the occasion moves well. In no distant time from now, you will see the paramount font of Oku coming out for that special and unique occasion. Every indication says that the font of Oku is making its way into the ceremonial ground. We have here special messengers from the royal palace. They are coming in to the royal palace, whereby His Majesty the paramount font of Oku will make that special disclosure of the forecast from the gods of the land. It is a blessed land. Oku, a blessed land, a unique fondom